Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and this is day 2. This is the next day. We're going to do the next thing of sealing today, and I'm going to do the same thing. First thing I'm going to do is blow it off. I've already taped it off. I've got to blow all that out. Taped off. But it is, let's see what temperature is out here. It is, I don't know, you probably can't see that. It's 52 degrees outside, and the concrete is at 52, 51, unsealed. That says 53. But look at this. This is the sealed area from yesterday, and is at 54 degrees. 51 to 54. So it's a little bit. It's actually a little bit warmer on that sealed concrete. But interestingly enough, look at the sealed concrete. You can't really see it, but it's got kind of a shimmer to it. A gleam. It's darker. It's darkened it up. This is unsealed. This is sealed. This is what's going to happen. It's going to darken the concrete up. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep it by just blowing it off, getting it ready, and then we're going to look at the product that we'll be using today. And here we are. We've already prepped it, put the lines down where I'm going to spray this middle section, and blew it off. So this is what we're going to be utilizing today. This is the exact same sprayer as I used yesterday. I just rinsed it out really good. And this is the product. This is surfkoat Surf Block SB-12 by Surfkoat. Just said that. The SB is solvent based, and the 12 is the active ingredient. So I like this one for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's got more active ingredient, from 10 to 12%. The rest is solvent. But one of the reasons why I use this is not only because it's got more active ingredient, but also the solvent base is good if you have a piece of concrete that maybe has been sealed before or has tire shine or something like that. After you clean it and prep it, this helps burn through. The solvent versus the water helps burn through to the whatever may be on there to get deep into the concrete. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to spray it with this sprayer, circular motion, let it dry. You see what the concrete's at. It's not going to be a problem. It's kind of breezy. It'll probably dry a little bit faster in the sun than it did yesterday afternoon in the shade. But anyway, Surf Block SB-12 solvent base 12, and here we go.